Welcome to Texas Law Encounters, your home for raw police footage. Remember to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and ring the bell so you don't miss any new content. Consider supporting our work directly on Patreon to get early access to all new encounters. And as always, enjoy the video. On December 22, 2022, officers with the Houston Police Department were responding to a call for a stolen vehicle. During a foot pursuit involving a suspect, an innocent civilian was caught in the crossfire.
You got it. You gonna pull past? I see him right there walking.
He's looking froggy already. I'll pull past.
Get on the ground! Get on the ground!
No, sir, please!
Get on the ground. Put your hand behind your back.
No, please!
Give me your hand.
No, sir, please.
Hold your hand. Just keep your hand behind your back.
Please don't hurt me, sir. Please, sir.
Okay, put your hand behind your
Sir,
back.
can you please?
All right.
What am I doing, sir? Why y'all tripping, sir? Please, stop. Sir, please.
Y'all good? Yeah, we're good. We're good. Keep your hand behind your back.
Right there. Sir, please.
Stop.
Just hold me. So you done?
Huh?
Yeah.
Yeah.
There you go.
I'm so scared.
Hey, keep your hand behind your back. Keep your hand behind your back.
Scared, sir, please.
Okay, well, keep your hand behind your back.
I'm just scared, sir.
Keep your hand
You're
behind
right.
your back.
Sir, my mama.
Okay, well, relax. Everything's fine. Everything's fine.
Okay.
Mama, sir, please. Sir, don't hurt me, bro. I just want to see my mama, sir, please. Please, sir. Please, my mama, sir.
Any guns on you? Sure, sir.
Oh, sir.
You okay?
Yes, sir. What's my problem? I just want to talk to my mama, sir, please.
What's the problem?
I just want to talk to my mama, sir.
What's this?
What?
What's that?
It's a skill.
Okay, come on.
Sir, can I talk to my mama, please? Sir, can I talk to my mama, please? I just want to talk to my mama, please.
I don't want to drag you. Come
My
on.
mama, sir, please. Sir, my mama live right here. I live right here in the stable, sir, please.
Hey, don't, you're spitting, dude.
I'm sorry,
Stop.
sir.
Just look that way.
You have everything on you?
No, sir. I live in the stable, sir, please.
Just keep your chest against.
Sir, please, I live in the stable, sir, please.
You got any guns, dope,
No.
weed, crack, cocaine?
No.
Nothing? He dropped it.
No, that's not mine.
You just dropped it when you freaking was about to take off running. Saw you drop it.
Sir, my mama lives right here, sir, please.
Where your mama live at?
I'm right here in the stable, I swear to God. I
Okay,
guarantee
face that way.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Don't face it.
I'm so scared, sir. Y'all don't know I'm so scared.
You got a gun on you. What you scared about?
Please.
Huh? You know you're not supposed to be carrying a gun.
What I'm looking at like that, what am I doing?
From last time. You don't remember last time what you got caught with?
Yeah.
That stolen car?
I didn't fit it in my pocket.
Yeah.
Hold on.
You was in it though.
Sir, my mom lives right here.
Stop moving.
Stop moving.
Come on, y'all. My mama lives right here in the stable.
Why you crying?
Fortunately, you didn't make it home.
No, sir, look. My mama lives right here in the steeple.
What's that?
No, look, sir, tell me, no, please, y'all, please.
Don't.
God. Please, God, no, sir,
No,
please.
hey, I'm gonna charge you with spitting. If you spit on me again, dude.
Ma'am, please, sir, listen.
Have a seat in the car.
Have a seat for you.
God, hold
You
on.
gotta do an investigation. Have a
Sir,
seat.
no, can I say something, please? One thing.
Hey, we'll talk.
I'm gonna tell you right now. Stop facing my way, talking loud.
Swing
Cause you're
your feet.
spitting.
Yes, sir.
Swing your
Put your
feet
feet
and I'm
in.
gonna roll the other one and we can talk, okay?
God, please, y'all.
Yeah, he tried.
Please. Oh, my God, sir, no, please. No, sir, please, sir, don't hurt me, sir, please, sir. Please don't hurt me, sir, please, sir.
Okay, put your hand by your back.
Sir, please. I'm not part of this.
What are you doing, bud?
I was just walking. I'm going to my friend's house. I swear to God.
All right, relax. What are you? Hold on. Yeah, why you were?
Bro, because, bro, I'm gonna be honest with you. I'm in Houston,
relax.
bro. I promise you.
Relax.
I'm in Houston, bro. I don't do this, and if there's anybody shooting, bro, I don't want to die.
I got you.
I'm trying to get to safety.
Okay, you're good, man. Take a breath. You're all right. Relax. You're good.
I'm fine, dude.
Yes. You're all right, bud. Just take a breath.
Because I didn't see sirens on cars, and I just.
You have an ID with you?
Yeah. I just didn't want like a shootout, and I don't want to be a part of it. I try to get to safety. I didn't know everyone was a cop over here. So you take that guy down, and I was just like, bro, I'm not associated with him. I'm wearing a black hoodie, like it doesn't look good. I'm sorry. Here.
You're fine, my man. Just relax.
Hey, it's a good thing, that, my parents taught me, when you just listen to the police,
Good instinct.
I appreciate it.
Need to run him real quick.
The target on the ground.
Can you just run him real quick? Make sure he's not like a wanted murderer.
That's it.
We're gonna let him go. He was like, I'm just in Houston, man, and never even been arrested. Jeez.
Yeah, man.
What just happened?
Never been arrested before.
Cool.
You're good, man.
Okay.
Thank you.
Take a breath, man. You good?
Thanks.
You fine?
He took out the bag, put it on. He threw it on the ground right.
Just by the time I got around the car, I saw like 80 of motherfuckers on
He
it.
did like this quick, and then
Yeah.
He did, yeah.
And he was about to run, but then he saw.
Yeah, so they ain't nowhere to go.
So what time was it?
How did
Ain't nowhere to go.
So I got the phone with Robles. He's gonna do the charges for the burglaries.
Yeah.
I think we're gonna have a UCW charge here.
Yeah.
So how y'all want to do it?
Are y'all getting off soon or something?
No, we're like
Two.
Do that.
Right on that.
Definitely.
Oh shit. He goes, so
No.
I'll tell you what.
Yeah, we on him too. Oh, damn, hey, we can't go.
we can't go down there.
Yeah, I can't take that weed downtown, guys.
We ain't gonna talk about it.
We can, yeah, we
Mad at me right now. Me and Max
gotta go.
attacked the dope
Yeah.
and the gun.
Want to take it?
Yeah, we drive down to
To West.
We'll do whatever y'all need us to do or whatever y'all want us to
Do
do.
y'all want the UCW charge?
So, no.
Are y'all good with that? Or?
I mean, if you're going to...
Because they have to.
Wait.
Y'all are.
He stats up when y'all are riding together.
Well,
This is impossible.
it counts for both.
Hey, I just say we let Randy, worry about that part. We just put it on the stats, bud.
Just making a joke. Yeah, figure it out. Figure it out, Randy. He's like, what do I do here?
How about we just ask Sarge, see what he wants to do. We'll ask Chippy and Ray and see what they want to do. I don't mind doing whatever we need to do. I would like to have a snack before we go anywhere.
That's a good move to pull.
I would love to do that. I get your Venmo too.
I'm good, bro. And as soon as you stopped, he looked back, and then I pull up on him, and I hit the lights. He's like,
That we finish it quick.
yeah. He threw the gun in the backpack, and then made it like 10 feet down. Right there by the fire hydrant.
He had nowhere to go.
Here's the thing. Whoever does the charge.
That would have been a pain in the ass if that shit.
Oh, yeah.
Medical. So,
Yeah.
whoever.
He didn't make it more than 10
If y'all want to do
feet.
the charge.
Charge is easy. I mean, I can type up a UCW if you want me to. It ain't no thing. That'd take like 10 minutes.
Yeah. Juvenile.
Yeah. Juvenile. Bring it again. No, he's wanted.
Shit, that's what I'm saying.
That's too long.
Personal life,
And then we'll check the dope.
yeah, I wasn't technically a foot pursuit because he did try to. Oh, maybe it wasn't.
I'm not gonna charge him with evading.
No, just using it.
Yeah, just use it.
The random. He goes, I'm from Houston, or I'm just visiting Houston or whatever.
Yeah. Good with that.
Do the charge and.
Sure.
I mean, it's 5
Whatever.
o'clock right now.
Oh, we have plenty.
Yeah. So
I ain't worried about doing a charge.
y'all can go back to the station and do it.
Yeah.
And-
Y'all can take
Oh, yeah.
What
Hey.
do you think we're on?
Yeah. We're not gonna be done.
Oh, well.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's how night shift works.
Yeah.
Other people need stats, you know what I mean?
That's a luxury.
gang card?
Sure.
Documented, yeah, but
I'll document anybody. What
his
is,
Instagram, he's putting on blood and he's like 5'9" and he has a red rag.
in a known blood gang area.
Yeah, yeah.
I would know.
He's getting this easy layup, dude.
Oh,
This is an alley-oop.
where's...
Hey, Bill. Hey, Bill. Let me go with the pretend, dude. I swear. I swear. Hey. Hey, let's stop pretending now. You want to talk to mom?
Hey, Ryan.
Huh? You want to talk to mom? Huh?
Good morning.
Feeling better.
You feeling better all of a sudden now?
No, it's not.
Sit up. Sit up. Hey. You want to talk to mom, huh?
Hey, you good, man?
Are we good to go?
You need me to call an ambulance for you? You're still going to jail, boss. It's not keeping you from going to jail.
Yeah,
It's not
you...
going to keep you from going
Still
to jail.
going.
Yeah,
It's not
you...
going to keep you from going to jail.
Alright, teamwork, boys.
Huh? You want to? Okay, well, okay, what's going on with you now?
kind of just want to straight up ask TDG.
Oh, he's not gonna, now
Yeah.
you can pay that to him.
Yeah. TDG, baby, huh?
Hey, Bill.
TDGD, baby.
You gotta do it. Pretending, I swear.
Yeah.
Wake up.
CDG,
Good?
is he?
What?
Maybe his jacket's in the way?
I think so. No, it's just a loose. What's wrong with you?
I mean, of the sternum rub.
Oh, no.
Alright. We're gonna go.
Good?
Y'all good?
Huh? Please what? Please what?
Y'all good?
Hey, talk to me in order for me to know what you're talking about. Please what? Talk to your mom? You're gonna see your mom in a second when she picks you up anyway. From juvenile.
From jail.
Yeah. You're fine, bro. We're gonna drive down the street and mom gonna have to come pick you up. She's probably gonna be mad though. I know you wanna talk to mom, but we're gonna go to the hospital. And then we gotta go to Southeast and they'll fingerprint you. And then if they're willing to let you go, then your mom's gonna come pick you up. Okie dokie?
Thanks for watching Texas Law Encounters. Your support makes this possible. If you enjoyed today's video and want to see more, head over to our Patreon and become a member for exclusive content, or check out the suggested videos on your screen. We'll see you in the next Raw Police Encounter.